Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this session we are going to discuss regarding angle modulation. So what is the in the previous sessions we have come across regarding amplitude modulations and all. So now we will have to understand what are the types of angle modulation and what is angle modulation in detail. So please watch the video until end in order to understand this angle modulation concept. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if not yet subscribed and press the bell icon to get the latest updates or notifications. So let us quickly try to understand short what is this angle modulation. So the total phase angle, okay, the angle means the total phase angle. Okay, the phase angle of a carrier wave is varied in accordance with the instantaneous value of the message or modulating signal or baseband signal, keeping the amplitude of a carrier at constant. Means I'll tell you in simple words. So the amplitude of the carrier wave, there are two waves. Okay, so one is there should not be any confusion. There is one signal called message signal, and we are taking help of carrier in order to modulate the message signal so that we are able to transmit it to a longer distance without distortion and anything. So this message signal, whatever is there, and carrier signal. So whatever we will do modification, we will do it into the carrier wave. That we already know. That is the meaning of modulation basically. So total. If you have any doubt regarding what is modulation and all, maybe you can please refer to the previous sessions and it will be very clear from that. Otherwise, see, carrier wave is there and message signal is there. We have to vary the parameters of carrier wave in accordance with the message signal. So in case of angle modulation, what we have to vary is total phase angle of a carrier wave. We have to vary in accordance with the instantaneous value of the instantaneous value means what? It is the immediate means the current value of the phase value of the modulating signal or the message signal means we are keeping the amplitude of the carrier wave as constant. We are not at all varying the amplitude here in case of this angle modulation technique. So we are only varying the phase angle of the carrier wave in accordance with the modulating signal or message signal or baseband signal. So this is the only meaning of the angle modulation in a simple way. So what is this angle modulation? So I will just repeat it for you. So carrier wave phase angle is varied in accordance with the modulating signal or message signal, keeping the amplitude of the carrier as constant. Means we are not at all bothering about the amplitude of the carrier wave. We are keeping it as it is constant. So that is the meaning of this angle modulation. So there are two types of angle modulations. So there are two types of angle modulation, that is phase modulation and frequency modulation. So regarding these two techniques, we will try to cover in detail in individual sessions. Like phase modulation, I will try to cover in one session, and frequency modulation in the other another session. So for time being, I'll just give a hint about this phase modulation and frequency modulation. In phase modulation, the carrier wave phase, the phase of the carrier wave is varied in accordance with the message signal, keeping the amplitude constant. Okay, frequency modulation. It is simple to remember. See, the frequency of the carrier wave is varied in accordance with the message signal, keeping amplitude constant. This is the only definition of this frequency modulation. So, to summarize, what is angle modulation we have studied, and what are the types of angle modulation, that is phase modulation and frequency modulation. But don't worry, this phase modulation and frequency modulation we'll try to cover it in individual sessions so that it will be more clear in that particular session. So I hope it is very clear. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications or updates. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.